I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are.
Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna share two different sleek bun hairstyles. I feel like it's been ages since I've done a hairstyle video. I think last year था, I don't even remember कब किया था, 2019? उसके बाद से तो मैंने hairstyle videos डाला ही नहीं है. And sleek bun and sleek hairstyles are really trending. And you see a lot of celebs, be it Hollywood or Bollywood, rocking sleek hairstyles all the freaking time. And majority of those who have straight hair, and I have curly hair. So sleek hairstyles on curly hair, I was really hesitant about it, but I definitely wanted to try it out because it looks so freaking chic, so freaking cute. I genuinely wanted to know if these hairstyles, do they really look good on curly hair or not? And you will definitely find it out in today's video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Let's get started. I feel like with sleek bun hairstyles, you do not have to worry about how your hair is looking. You can work with day 5 or day 6 hair as well because you're gonna brush it out and put gel all over it any which ways. This is day 4 or day 5 hair, I'm not really sure, but as you can clearly see, my top hair is all stretched out, so this is the perfect time to show you guys the hairstyles. Okay, so the first hairstyle I'm going to show you guys is a low sleek bun. I am obsessing over this look because this looks absolutely beautiful on saris and more on traditional outfits basically. Let's start with the hairstyle. I'm going to use a tail comb to part my hair, and if you do not have tail comb, don't worry. You can just use a pen to part your hair. And the teeth on it is really fine, so you can definitely get a nice sleek bun out of it. Now you can part your hair in the middle or in the side as per your preference. I went with the reference image and parted my hair in the middle. You do not have to part it all the way back, just a few inches from the front. But it is important to make sure that the parting is clean because it will be visible. Okay, once the middle parting is done, I'm gonna separate that hair from the back parting and drag it down till the back of my ear. Obviously do that on both the sides. I would not recommend to keep the front chunk super thick. 1 or 2 inches is more than enough. And then make sure you secure it so it does not get mixed up when we are working on the back hair. I know I'm looking a little funny, but let's move on from that. Next, I'm going to comb the back section of my hair, making sure there are no knots or bumps in my hair. Try to get it as sleek as possible from just the comb. Again, you do not have to detangle it all the way down, just the top portion. And yeah, do not forget the back. Get it as sleek as possible. I don't know about you guys, but I do have a lot of baby hairs at the back. You can clearly see it in the video. Do not worry about it. We'll fix that later. Once you have all the hair nice and sleeked, secure it in a bun. This is not the final bun. This is just to make sure that the hair is tucked back. Next, I'm going to use a spray bottle. I have this mini one. This just has water, plain water, and sprayed all over my hair at the top. You do not have to drench your hair completely, but just wet enough so that it's easy for us to style. Okay, for gel, I'm going to be using Curl Up Ultra Defining Hair Gel. You can use any hair gel that you want. I like this one as it does give a nice hold to my hair, which is what I need in this sleek hairstyle. And I'm going to use a good amount of it as you can see it in the video. Rub it in and start sleeking the hair back. Make sure you apply it everywhere. This will give the extra sleek look that you really want. And whatever is remaining, I'm going to apply it at the front as well. When you're working at the front, make sure you get all the baby hairs as well because they tend to stick out a lot. Once you have the gel in, next I'm going to use the same tail comb and use the comb part of it and brush all my hair out. As the teeth is so fine and close together, this definitely gives a really nice sleek look. You can use any fine comb that you have at your house. Make sure you get all the bumps and any knots that you have in your hair and get it as sleek as possible, especially the back of your hair. Once you apply the water and gel, it will definitely be easier to get a nice sleek look at the back as well as front. Next, I'm going to start twisting my hair and forming a bun. You can clearly see it in the video how I did it. Just twist it and turn it around. I'm not using any bun maker or donut over here. That's the reason my bun will be smaller. But if you want a big bun at the bottom, then you can definitely use a donut. Once you've formed the bun, make sure you put a lot of pins and secure it in place. Once your bun is in place, I'm gonna take a rubber band and secure it in. You can go with 3 folds. I just went with 2 because that felt more secure to me. Okay, that looks good. As you can see, all my hair is nicely sleeked down. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit more of that gel and apply another layer of it to make sure there are no baby hairs or frizz sticking out. To seal the deal, I'm going to use a boar bristle brush. Now this has even fine and dense teeth, as you can clearly see, and this is actually going to sleek everything and cinch everything up. Finally, let's work on the front section now. First, I'm just going to brush it out. The back section, you do not need to brush it out, but the front section, you definitely need to brush it out. Over here, I'm just checking how it looks once I tuck it back and how I want it to lay. After that, you're just going to follow the same exact steps. Wet your hair. Now, make sure that you're taking care of all the front section and all the front baby hairs as well, because they can definitely ruin the look for you. So get in there. Next, take a good amount of gel and sleek everything down. You do not want to go in an opposite direction. Make sure you're following the hairline. Now, to secure the hair, you're going to need some tic-tac pins and some bobby pins. You can also use U-clips. With the help of my tail comb, I'm going to sleek it down. And when you're combing your hair, slightly tuck it behind your ears and try to mold it into the shape you want it to rest. And try to lay it as flat as possible, as you can clearly see me doing in the video. Comb it out and maneuver it so it looks like it's part of the back section. Once you feel that the hair is looking good, you can go ahead and pin it in with the back section. With the remaining section, I'm just going to twist it and wrap it around the bun. This way the hair tie gets hidden as well. Secure it nicely. And I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side. Brush it out, tuck it in, and maneuver it in the position you want it to rest throughout the day. It's as simple as that. For the front baby hairs, I'm going to take a little bit of that gel again and apply it on the edges for the baby hairs. Next, I'm going to use a spoolie and give them some shape so it looks good. If you do not want the wave, you can definitely swoop it back in a straight line, or you can do the wave like I'm doing right now. I feel the waves definitely give a little bit of an edgy look, which I like. Now, I really like how it's looking right now, but you can definitely jazz it up with some gajra. Now, I have a fake one over here, but you can definitely replace it with a nice original one. Just place it where you like it and pin it up. And voila, look 1 is complete and I absolutely love it. It looks so royal yet chic at the same time. This is looking so gorgeous. Obviously, I'm gonna switch this one up with real gajra when I'm going on an event, which, by the way, I do have a cousin's wedding coming up like this week, and this is the hairstyle I'm definitely gonna rock. This is so easy and cute, and this is gonna look bomb on saris. And I'm wearing like casuals, but imagine it with a sari, and this is gonna look so bomb. You don't even have to worry about how your hair is looking that day because you're gonna brush and gel it up any which ways. This is so cute. I love it. Let's move on to the second hairstyle. Now for this look, I definitely took inspiration from Kendall and Bella Hadid. You see all of these models rocking this model of duty kind of a sleek bun, which I'm obsessing over. It looks so chic and so cute. So yeah, let's try it on. Obviously, I got rid of my previous hairstyle, but because of my previous hairstyle, half of the work is almost done. But you will need to do those steps like parting it in the middle. But for this hairstyle, you do not want the middle parting or the front section to be super chunky. So I'm gonna get rid of it and cut it in a triangle, as you can see me in the video. Almost like a triangle, and secure the rest of the hair back with the back section. Do the same on the other end. You just want the front section, like the front square part, out, and rest everything will go back. Now let's work on the back section. Again, I'm going to comb it out and sleek it out as much as possible. At this point, you already know the drill. Make sure you go ahead and wet your hair with some water. I know my hair already has a lot of hair gel because of my previous hairstyle, but I'm gonna add a little bit more to make sure it's really sleek. And in this hairstyle, I want my bun to be at top. So I need to make sure that the back of the hair has a lot of hair gel to get it nice and sleek and tight. And I'm going to comb out any curl or any bump or any frizz that you see. This step is very important, to comb out any bump to make sure that your hair stays like this throughout the day. Next, I'm going to twist it in a bun as I did in my previous video, but this time it's gonna be on top of my head near the crown section and not below. Just twist it and turn it around. Next, I'm going to secure it with a hair tie. If you want this hairstyle to be even more secure, I would suggest to put it in a ponytail, a nice tight high ponytail, and then wrapping it around in a bun and putting another hair tie to secure it down. Once that my hair is nice and secured in a bun, I'm going to use the comb and sleek it even more and secure it with a tic-tac pin. Don't use too many, it will look really bad. Let's deal with the front hair now. Again, follow the same drill, wet your hair. And this time, I'm not gonna sleek it down, I'm gonna sleek it back towards the bun. Not straight back, but at an angle, as you can see in the video. And once you're happy with how it's looking, just pin it down near the bun. And with the remaining hair, twist it around and secure it back in the bun. I'm going to repeat the same on the other end as well. Okay, with the front baby hairs, I'm gonna do the same thing again. Use a little bit of gel and sleek it down. I like to create little waves, as you can see in the video. And yeah, with that, the second look is complete. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Do you like more of these hairstyle videos, the makeup videos, curly hair videos? Batao mujhe comment section mein, and don't forget to do all that good stuff. Like, share, subscribe and hit that bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to know more about this look that I have on my face, I have made a video about this. Last video yahi maine upload kiya hai. I'll link it for you guys about. Definitely check it out because this look looks absolutely gorgeous with this hairstyle. Should definitely check it out. And yeah, with that said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to floor the Bowery when I was high enough. Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.